How to hard reset Lava Yuva 4. Step 1. Start by powering off your Lava Yuva 4 using the power button. Step 2. Then, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Step 3. When the recovery mode menu appears, navigate using the volume buttons and confirm your selection with the power button.